Hello everyone and welcome back to Solving Factory. Today we will learn how to create a Genshin Impact account on your PC. First, you have to open any browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla, or anything you want. And search for Genshin. Hit enter. And when you open the first link, jinhowork.com, you won't see any register or sign up option. This game is by Who War, so you need to make an account with Who. Search for Genshin Impact Sign Up. You will see Whore at the top. Click on Login. Then click on Register. Enter your email and click on Send Code. Solve the puzzle for verification. Once you receive the verification code, select a password, confirm it, and agree to the terms and policies. Click on Register. Your account is created. You'll receive an email shortly for the Who confirming your account creation. You can use this account for all Who War games, including Genshin Impact. Hopefully, this video has helped you create a Genshin Impact account on your PC. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.